is your First Alert 5 weather with Alex O'Brien.
Can you believe that just 1 year ago from today was our infamous bomb cyclone event that broke our record lowest pressure ever recorded in the state? We have an awesome write-up on this event from Sam Schreier and our digital team on KOAA.com, and I did share it on my Facebook page if you're interested in looking back. So we've got snow again on March 13th. This one is a lot more lackadaisical. It's been off and on through the morning hours, and it's been warm enough that we have seen most of our roadways staying nice and clear. Our first round of snow we've been watching this morning has since moved out, but watch this activity that is starting to pop up now as it heads over the Continental Divide. That's our next round of snow that will be heading in here shortly. But Lamar, Springfield still getting in a couple of light snow showers at this time. Do prepare for some reduced visibility on the road. Hey, by the way, we had some lightning in Pagosa Springs and Wolf Creek ski area earlier, quite a bit of it, where we had some active precipitation. Also, this is a good chance to point out that there was active snowfall here, but because it was in the interior mountains, radar cannot see it. So this batch of energy is headed to the northeast, and it will eventually impact us later on this evening. So this is the area I'm talking about, moving from Pagosa Springs into the central and southern mountains, and eventually into our area along I-25 by later this evening. So between about 3 to 6 o'clock is our next chance of accumulating some snowfall. Note that it is quite warm in Pueblo by this time. Also, Walsenburg, Trinidad staying in the 40s, so this will likely fall as rain or a wintry mix in Pueblo County and into the upper Arkansas River Valley. But then elsewhere, El Paso County, Teller County, likely to be active snowfall, as well as the higher elevations in Fremont County as well. By 6 o'clock, your evening commute could get lowered with visibility. It could get a little icy in spots if our snow is heavy enough. But in general, we will look at mostly just wet roads from this storm event, which is great news for travel conditions. This will wrap its way into the eastern plains by this evening and clear out, and we are in for a nice Saturday after this storm system. So additional snowfall accumulations here expected by tonight. About 2 to 4 is possible in Colorado Springs. But so far, we've had a lot of compression. It's been a heavy, wet snow. It's really only stuck to the grass, so it might not seem like it's stacking up very much, but we have a lot of moisture coming into place. Not much of anything from Pueblo southward from here on out. A couple more inches is possible in the wet mountains and the Sangre de Cristo mountain range and their valleys adjacent. All right, our 7-day outlook is looking nice. So we have 50s in store for Saturday, Sunday, 60s by next Monday, which will be a nice start to spring break, extended spring break for many schools and communities. Pueblo, we will see a few batches of rain showers or mixed precipitation this evening, but then we warm up nicely this weekend back to the 50s and 60s. Canyon City, you'll see another batch of snow possible, not expected to accumulate much on the roads. 50s, 60s for you as well this weekend. Our next chance of snowfall comes in next Thursday. And wrapping up in Woodland Park, a few more batches of snow possible through the evening, but we will forget about it by tomorrow with sunshine, melting conditions, and 50s.